Nasa lubong hayop niya, hindi pala wala. Ano ba yun? Sa nga ano?
Meron dalawang araw na.
Isang ko yun? Formasido?
Shoot!
Sa mukha?
May taga-Chelsea kit dito. Isang basher, isang...
Tira na kayo! Dapat yung mga sitiro tinatangan. Ay, kanya pa din eh.
Wow. No, Armamento. Steve, no pwede na, no way. No pwede na kami. Pwede na bolsiyo. No way. Foul. It's foul right. For the set throw. Go ahead. Good push. The speed to execute. Good one. Yes,
Ba't nakakulog? Paano yung matloy?
Patayin na yan, ah. Ay, umuwi na tayo. Warning to penalty.
Nagkakaintindi mo.
Nasaan ba si Renz? Hindi pa napasok eh.
No. Ito sa naman ako. With 15 seconds to shoot. Pareto again. No way. Ito by 10. Out of foul. Remaining time, 15 seconds.
Para kang palakadon.
Right. Remaining time, 15 seconds.
Hindi pa kami nakain.
10 seconds.
Wala si Renz.
Good for two.
Kenneth! Labas na dyan, labas na. Yun. May asawa na pala yan. Hindi pa nakakain eh.
Official score. Breakthrough for team in Pepperell. Team BTS. Red. I count red. With 2.
Hindi ba kung si Renz yan? Hindi ba kung si Renz?
15 seconds to shoot. Ano ba ito? Sama siya? No. Alright, ano siya? No. Foul. Armamento. It's a first personal foul. score 27-14 in favor of Team BGS. Number 51. Team number 23.
Kulang sa talon eh.
Remaining time, 6 minutes.
Kulang sa talon.
Number 21. Sumasaya momento. 15 seconds to shoot. And seconds to
Bata
shoot.
ako ngayon ah.
21.
Walang kain ah. Sino yun? Hindi ka natuloy.
Remaining time, 5 minutes and 30 seconds. Number 30. Number 14.
Wala na.
Who's calling up? Number 23, Joe. First personal foul, first team foul. The first triple one. No. Safe by the 30. Good for two. Good for two.
Ano nga gusto sa'yo? Ah.
Number 21. Hanging out. Masok. No good. Number 30. Taking it in. Take a shot. No good. Stop it.
Friends, ayusin mo. Pagod yung tawag mo.
Number 23. Number 3. No good. Prepare a momentum. Momentum. Number 29. Good for two.
Oh, inside.
What is the score? 29-19. Take off. Team BGS. Remaining time 4 minutes and 24 seconds. Still, they are on momentum. Pinasing Lali. The 21. Good for two. Official score 29-19. Time out. Team BGS. Ito po sa start.
Kita.
Take your hand for two. Triple. You got number 32. Taking number 21. Number 21. 15 seconds to shoot. The 10 No good. Number 30. Taking his hand. Yes. Remaining time 3 minutes and 38 seconds. The 29. Good for two. Official score 29-22 in favor of Team BGS. The 30. Number 14. Number 21. Good for two. Official score 29-24 in favor of Team BGS.
Oh. Wala na.
Labanan niya.
Tangka na.
Number 30. Press. No, it's over number 29. Number 29. Team BGS.
Lang tawag kayo!
10 seconds to shoot.
La!
10 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds Remaining time, 2 minutes and 10 seconds. Nineteen 28. No. Number 29. Number 2. Official score 29-28 in favor of Team BGS sa dalawang kalamangan. Remaining time 1 minute 47. 15 seconds to shoot. 19-28. Pinahanap. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Remaining time is at 1 minute. Number 30, number 3, number 30. Number 2, remaining time, 14 seconds. 28. Last red. Number 2. Official score, 31-21 in favor of Team Martin San. Number 2, and the second score,
Change point na.
32. 15 seconds to shoot. But we go now.
Layo pa, pwede mo ilapit.
Waiting time 7 minutes and 5 seconds. The big man knows.
Ivan! Ivan! Kalma.
Kanina pa yan, kanina pa.
Kalma. 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 Ha? Hindi mo ako natitigilin.
Double foul.
Ayaw niya malapit-lapot.
Jojo ah.
Number 18 is your third person. That's seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation.
Tanda ka ni Jojo eh. Ay, ang lakas sa loob.
Official score 34-34.
Taas si Jojo, ang laki sa loob eh.
For 3, Connect, James Taylor, official score 36-34. Team BGA.
Ate Ula, hindi ko pa kasi ako ngayon. Oo man. Yaya Ula.
15 seconds to shoot. Foul. Who's follower? Number 30. It's yours. First personal foul. Situation left.
May video ba, Bes? May video? Video, pasa mo sa akin suntukan. Beng, beng.
Change, 16 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. Before 2. Official score 38, 34 in favor of Team BGS.
Huwag gagawin.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot.
Nag-wait ka na.
Number 30.
Alma.
It's your first personal foul, first team foul.
Kalma. Wala tayong baong armas.
Good for 1. Number 29, second row. Clement. Official score 38-36 in favor of Team BGS. Remaining time 5 minutes and 25 seconds. Parejo. 15 seconds to shoot. Parejo. 10 seconds to shoot. Jump shot. No. Three. No. Hello. Super 2, official score 40-26 in favor of Team BGS. Oh, wow.
Aray ko, masakit kita.
Symbol. Ready. One.
Ay tayo pa sa.
15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 29. Lima na kita. 28. Number 1, number 2. Official score 40-36 in favor of Team BGS. Remaining time 4 minutes and 20 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Ilan?
10 seconds to shoot. No. 2
Ninong, ilan score?
Official score 45-36 in favor of Team BGS.
Oo, Ninong, late ka na. BGS daw lang.
Number 21, 50 seconds to shoot. Number 2, official score 45-38 in favor of Team BGS. Remaining time 3 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Viva, number 2.
Tulikat.
Official score 47. Out of bounds. Official score 47-38 in favor of Team BGS. Remaining time 3 minutes and 7 seconds. Winner, February, Vida. Block, by number 29, Ibanda Universitas. Pass to number 5, number 5, Armamento. Ready number 21. Armamento. For 3. No. Ibanda Universitas. Number 25, Takasay. Barreto, 15 seconds to shoot. Number 25. No. Ibanda number 21. Ready to play 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Side set. Oh, goal. Barreto. Barreto. Number 25. Oh, 5-3. Momento. Number 21. Number, Tito Benavides. Remaining time, 155 seconds. Armando, madali. Number, Armando again. Number pa rin, Wamba. Still, number 35. Remaining time, 1 minute and 28 seconds. Number 2, official score 47.2 in favor of Team BGS. Remaining time 1 minute and 20 seconds. Number 1. 15 seconds to shoot. Number 9 again. For 3, no. This is number 25. Remaining time 1 minute and 5 seconds. Official score 47.2 in favor of Team BGS. Number 1. 15 seconds for 3. No good. Keep on the ball. Number 2. Official score 149.2 in favor of Team BGS. Remaining time 45 seconds. Makia. Reverse layup. Good for 2. Remaining time 35 seconds. Official score 49.4 in favor of Team BGS. 10 seconds to shoot. Out of bounds. Same ball. 6 seconds to shoot. No good. Last 13 seconds. The 21. Basket. Good for 2. Remaining time 10 seconds. 5 seconds.
Shoot!
For 3. Official score 52.6 in favor of Team BGS.
Looking for affordable flights? Download the trip.com app now. Looking for weekend?
No. Coming again, same spot. No. Lipat siya ng kamay, pamilya kay Alpia. For 2. Official score 52.8 in favor of Team BGS. 15 seconds to shoot. Until 28, ginasa ni Pareto. Second shot. Lipat siya ng kamay. Number 5, Armando, bigay kay Alpia. For 2.
Ha? Sino? Sabihin mo, titiingin ko. Sino? Mamaya. Titiingin ko mamaya.
Pareto. 10 seconds to shoot.
Shoot!
Official score 54-15 in favor of Team BGS. Remaining time 6 minutes and 30 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Hoy!
Pia. 10 seconds to shoot. Al momento. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul. Who's calling it? Number 7. It's yours. First personal foul. First team foul. 3 seconds to shoot.
Pakita mo nga.
Sorry po, sorry. Pasensya na po, pasensya na po. Minsan po yung sorry po. Okay. 15 seconds to shoot.
Shot!
56-50. Favor of Team BGS. Number 21. Okay. Jump shot. Fire. Number 19, pinasakay si Fire. 15 seconds to shoot. Half-court violation. Official score 56-52 in favor of Team BGS. Remaining time 5 minutes and 23 seconds. Araujo, 821. 15 seconds to 29. Official score 56-54 in favor of Team BGS. Number. Dito ang number 0. Binigay kay Orkia. Orkia ang pakamadali. Right hand away. With the 2. Official score. Timeout. Team BGS. Official score 39-56. For 2. Change scoreboard 15-56 in favor of Pink and Martin Cat. 15 seconds to shoot. Bello. Good for 2. Seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. No. Foul. Number 21, it's yours. First personal foul, first team foul. Number 1 for the first free throw line. No good. Connect. Free throw 1. Change favor. Official score 59-58 in favor of Team BGS. Number 5. 15 seconds to shoot. And seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Foul. Number 7. It's yours. Second personal foul, second team foul. For 16 for the first free throw line. Substitution na lang. Remaining time, 3 minutes and 3 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. Bello, jump shot. No good. Number 29. Number 2. Change favor. Official score 60-59 in favor of Team Calmar Pinsan. Remaining time 2 minutes and 43 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. No good for it. Remaining 28. Good for 2. Change favor again. 61-60 in favor of Team BGS. Remaining time 2 minutes and 25 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot. And seconds to shoot. Foul. Number 16, Sinor. First personal foul, second foul.
Ay, Chareng! Chareng lang! Nagtatanong ako pala ng timeout!
Time out. Team, Tal Martinsan, pasensya na po ulit. Number 10, number 14. Number 1, beginning number 14. Ilalim, number 2. Official score, 63-60 in favor of Team PGS. Number 21, 15 seconds to shoot. 10 seconds to shoot. And seconds to shoot for number 21. Number 2, official score, 63-62 in favor of Team BGS. Remaining time, 1 minute and 15 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Pinoy! Sila!
5 seconds to shoot. For 3. Official score. Remaining time, 55 seconds. Official score, 66-62 in favor of Team BGS. Number 21. 10 seconds to shoot. Ortia. Foul number 14 is your first personal foul, third team foul. Remaining time 46 seconds. Seconds to shoot.
Uy, nakalit si Ruela, laglag doon.
Jump ball.
Hindi nakalit si Ruela, laglag.
Official score 66-64. 66-62 in favor of Team BGS. Remains at 40 seconds. 15 seconds to shoot.
Oras, oras!
10 seconds to shoot. Mahmoud. Ibang play number 21. Remaining time, 20 seconds. Ang momento, side step, bigay kay Okia. Good for 2. Remaining time, 10 seconds. Number 21, Mahmoud. Foul. Remaining time, 4 seconds. Number 1, it's your first personal foul, warning for penalty. Remaining time, 4 seconds. Official score, 66-64 in favor of Team BGS. Timeout, Team Emerging Front. Number 29. Number 14. Foul. Remaining time, 3 seconds. It's your second personal foul, third team foul. Number 19, Bob Pagod. Bringing in number 1.